Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to work with time functionality. First import time package, or first of all I would like to introduce you a very interesting topic, and that is like p is the variable name and store fmt dot println, and now you can print hi there and then run the program. Hi there. So you can use short syntax, or you can say that is message, run the program, and now we are going to work with time. Create a variable, and that is current time, and store time dot now, and print here time and current time. Run the program. Small t, because here is also small t, and here is the result that is coming from the server, which is 2009, and this is not 2009. This is just for testing purpose. This is not real date and time. Okay, you can also use like this: date of birth, time dot date function, and 1997 is the year, this is the month, and here is the date, and so on and so forth. And you can simply print dob dot year and print here year. Run the program, and year is printed. You can also print month, and month is March, which is perfect. And you can also print like day, and day is 20. You can also change the message like day is 20. You can also print or 7 minute sorry for that minute 3, 7 or 3 minutes. And you can also print like second, (36). You can also print nanoseconds, and like nanosecond, type time dot time has no, or you can also type like this. And after that you can also print location UTC. Thank you for watching this video.